Welcome back, guys. Looks a little different out here. Got snow on the ground. We're gonna wrap up combining. Got 2 wagons that are empty here, and we're gonna see once if we can finish it up today. Snow has melted off the corn, so that's good. Should be good to go. Well, here's the new folding corn head. I haven't showed how fast it folds. This is real time folding up. One side went a little faster than the other. Definitely saving time in between fields, otherwise we had to pull a cart with the head. This was the second to last field. We were switching, and one more field and we will be done. It is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's tomorrow. It'll be good to be done today. Shouldn't be too many more loads. The field's not real big. It's folding up. Yeah, so far we like the gearing off corn head. It does plug a little faster than the John Deere used to if the stalks are wet and damp. It'll plug up the rows and you got to get out and clean it out. And it slows right down when the other one's done for whatever reason. If it folds one at a time, it's a lot slower than if they're both folding. But we will get there and see you in the next field. So here we are at the last field for the year. As you can see, we got a decent amount of snow on the ground. And that's not great for combining, but I'll walk you in the corn here. We've had a couple 40-degree days, which really helps. You can't have any snow on the ear or on the leaves or anything, otherwise it will stick and plug up the combine. So we've had enough nice weather that we are able to run today, and we should be able to get done. So since we only had 2 fields to do today, they weren't real big. The other one was probably 12 acres. This one's, I don't know, 10 or 12 also. We decided not to run the cart all the way over here just for that. So they got 2 drivers, and they're pulling our wagons in double. So they're keeping us fairly busy. They're hauling not too far away into the co-op. So I'm kind of here in case they break down or if we got to go get anything, at least for today, and we're gonna go at it and should get it done with just the wagons and not need the cart. It for corn combining this year. Hopefully we get some nice weather and we can wash stuff up and get stuff put away. And that is it, guys, for corn harvest 2022. Got the last little bit. Front wagon is full, back wagon is half full. Dad's folding up. I gotta walk to my pickup. And we are done with the combine for the year. It's a great feeling. November 23, day before Thanksgiving, and Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.